In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit in QuickBooks. We'll walk through the essential setup you need so credits land on the right customer and are easy to apply later. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what details matter so credits post cleanly and reports stay accurate. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to the correct company. Take a second to confirm you're in the right file and that your role lets you manage customers and credits. This prevents surprises later when you're ready to use a credit. Once you're in, let the dashboard fully load so the menu items appear reliably. Next, head to the Customers area. Depending on your layout, you'll see it on the left menu, often under Sales, then Customers. This is the hub for everything tied to a customer's balance: open invoices, unapplied payments, and credits. From here, you can quickly tell who has available credits and where those credits can be applied. If your list is long, use the search bar to locate the customer you're working with and confirm their activity and current balance before you proceed. If you don't see the customer yet, create one so credits have a proper home. Click New Customer, then carefully complete the required fields. Use the customer's legal name in the display name area so it matches invoices and statements. Add billing and, if different, shipping addresses to ensure documents and tax settings calculate correctly. Include contact details so you can send credit memos or statements without retyping later. If you use terms, set the default terms now. This helps QuickBooks handle due dates consistently across invoices and credits. For companies that track tax, verify the correct tax status and location to avoid misapplied tax on credit memos. If your organization uses multiple currencies, confirm the right currency here before saving, because that setting affects how credits can be applied. Avoid entering an opening balance unless you're intentionally migrating historical data. An opening balance can mimic a credit and skew aging reports. Keep it blank in most cases and record real credits through your normal credit process later. When everything looks good, save the customer. You'll land on the customer profile where all transactions like invoices, payments, and credits will live, making it easy to see what's available to apply. That's it. You signed into QuickBooks, opened the Customers area, and set up or confirm the customer so any credits you record can be applied confidently to the right account. Keep your customer records clean and your credit application process will be smooth and reliable every time.